Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the page navigations. Now, page navigations in Power BI refers to the functionality that allows the users to move between different report pages within a Power BI report. So, if we have a Power BI report, like the one I have created, here I have many pages. For example, I have created this particular page, which is showing me the Africa region. Then I have the EU region and the Canada region. Now, what I want to achieve is I want to move between these different pages. Also, I have this page 2, which is blank for now. So in order to do that, what I have done is I have created these page navigations on the top of it. So let's say I'm in currently Africa region and I want to go to the EU region. So what I'll do is I will press Control and click for now, and this would take me to the central region or the EU region. Then if I want to go to the Canada region, I can again press Control and click on it. It would take me to the Canada region. Now we will see how can we make these navigations. So for now, let me delete these navigations. So let's say you have few pages over here. Right now it is also showing me page 1, Africa, EU and Canada. And I want to navigate between these pages. So for that, what you need to do is you need to go in the insert option, and over here you can find this buttons option. Click on it. Then we have the navigator option. Here you will find the option of page navigator, and this would input the page navigator for you. Now you can expand its size and also change the type of this. So for example, select this, and then you have the option of changing the shape. Here you can find multiple shapes. So let's say I want to make it the chevron arrow. So I can click on it. Then if you want to provide it the rounded corners or any angle, you can also do that thing. If you want to provide it any rotation, if you want to change the style of it, for example, the fonts inside it, if you want to change the font type, font size, make it bold, italic or underline it, if you want to change the font color. So if you want to change the font color to match with the complete template, you can also do it, and also change the alignment of it in the horizontal direction as well as the vertical direction. If you want to provide shadows, you can do it with the help of this option. Then also we have the option to provide some glow over here. So this would be glowing. If you go to the pages option, here we have multiple options. The first option is the show hidden pages. By default, this is turned on. So what it is doing is, let's say that you are creating a new page and you rename it to, let's say, the American region. If you go back to again the Africa region where we created these page navigations, you will see that it has now added a navigation button over there. But let's say that you don't want to show this in the page navigations button. What would you do? You can right click on this page and you can select the option of hide. Now, whenever you will be creating these page navigations, by default, every page you create would be shown over here in the navigation button. So you can turn this option off by using this part, show hidden pages. You can just click on off and this would then remove that particular page. After that, you can go in the journal option and you can change the various journal formatting options like properties, which would be including the height and size of that page navigation, the effects, title, background color, visual borders, or any alternating text that you want to provide. Now, after we have created these page navigations, what you can do is you can copy that and then you can just paste it on the top of every page. Now, why am I doing this? Because let's say that right now I haven't provided anything in this Canada page. So if I go to this EU page and here I have this page navigation. So if I just press Control and click on Canada, you can see that it is redirecting me to the Canada page, but it is not showing any option to go back to that previous page where I was or any other page. So for that purpose, I'm using the page navigation on every page. So what this would do is this would provide you the functionality to navigate between different pages. Now, this is particularly useful when you have too many report pages and you want to navigate between them. We will also see an option when we will be talking about the bookmarks, that how can you create a single report page and you can navigate between different visuals. So this was all for page navigations. Thank you.